What's the meaning of Adjutant General? Adjutant General. Adjutant General. Adjutant General. Adjutant General. Adjutant General. Adjutant General refers to a high-ranking officer in the military who is responsible for personnel and administrative matters. They oversee the recruitment, training, and deployment of soldiers, as well as manage promotions, transfers, and disciplinary actions. Additionally, they handle communication between different units and departments within the military organization. The position can be found in various branches of the military, including the Army, Air Force, and Navy. The role is vital for the smooth functioning of the military and ensuring that personnel matters are handled efficiently.